Finally, I want to say a word about collaboration-based design. When we did object-oriented analysis, we were essentially picking out the important objects in the description of the real world. And we're using those as the basis of deciding on classes and the associations among them. And eventually we got to the stage where we were mentioning methods that the classes might provide as services. Collaboration-based design takes a somewhat contrary approach to things. In particular, it starts with use cases, individual use cases, sometimes called user stories or scenarios. And with these use cases, each use case has various actors playing a specific role for that use case. Collaboration design, by the way, is sometimes called role-based design. So we can say that for a particular actor participating in a particular use case, that actor is fulfilling some kind of role. So let's specify that role. That role takes the form of the actions that that user takes in that user story. Once we have cataloged those actions, okay, we can then examine other use cases that involve that same actor. And from the set of activities which that actor undergoes in the various use cases, we have built up a set of roles, and the combination of that set of roles is in fact going to be what the overall capability that class must provide. So we can synthesize the classes from the set of roles we've defined during this process. Now, I'm not going to go into role-based design any further, but you may come across it in the literature, or you may want to look into it more yourself and try it out, because it can be an alternative approach that might be helpful under some circumstances.